So good afternoon Audi A2 owners. Again, we're in the boot of the Audi A2, which is, in my case, this car called Basil. Since I've had the car, I've had a rattling coming from the tailgate. So I've now taken the seats out and pretty much tried to narrow everything down, including fitting the seatbelt into the little catch. Making sure all the trim's tight, and I can't actually find where this rattle's coming from. So the only thing I can presume is that the strike mechanism on the tailgate needs a little bit of adjustment. So to do that, we need to remove this plastic trim piece, which goes across the back of the car and picks up down the floor and round. So as always, we're doing this single-handedly. So there's 3 fixings, one there, and one there. So I'm just going to pop these fixings out using a screwdriver. Again, doing it single-handedly, trying not to lose all the pieces as we go along. He says, with an air of confidence of a man who throws the piece away immediately. And then we've got a torque screw behind the back, and then we've got another fixing there, which we're just going to pop out again single-handedly. I don't really like using plastic screwdrivers because it marks the trim. So out with the torque screw. I've just noticed that the plastic trim for the floor, which was a later addition to this car, is in the way, possibly. So we'll keep going and see where we get to. Many of you people who've got Audi A2s, so a lot of the fixtures are quite difficult to get hold of and work out how to take the trim out. But this is one of the easier ones I find in the time that I've had an A2. So I'll just whiz that out. Getting a little pile of fixtures over there. And this thing here, that rubber trim needs to come off. He says, although it's on very tight. There we go. So pull the trim off. There's a little plastic clip there, look. Got a little plastic strip there. Coming out as easy as I thought. Let's pull the back carpet up out of the way. Oh, voila! Interestingly enough, we have condensation in the boot. That's oil, actually. So where's that come from? Look at my booge, look at my booge. So, we've now got these fellas here to adjust. So I think that needs to come down. So we've got 2 adjustment marks, and I'm going to move that down a couple of mil just to see if it tightens up and takes the slack out of it. So jumping out of the car, 13mm spanner. Just move that thing out of the way. So looking at this, 13mm spanner. So we've got some alignment marks just there and just there. So we're up on the second mark. So we're actually going to just loosen that off. Loosen that off. And drop it down just a fraction, so it's actually just drops down just a fraction. So we've moved it a fraction, and that will do for now. So just put this back roughly into place. Look at the aluminium rivets, look at the aluminium rivets. I'll actually shut the boot and see. So that's actually sitting slightly proud. But have we got rid of the rattle? No. Again, I'm just going to shut this down slightly. So loosen it off slightly. Just give it a gentle tap. So we've now moved it down quite a little bit more on that side. So I'm just going to knock it up. And see where we get to. Interestingly enough, a piece of wiring through there, which is for the bows, which was retrofitted by Tom Cunningham. But there we go. So I'm going to try that again and see what we think. And there is no rattle. We have no rattle. And that is actually quite tight. So that could be it. So making sure that the gaps are the same on the tailgate, so it's positioned the same, which will be about right. So it looks like the gaps are about right. So I'm just going to try and fit this back here, because I actually think this might actually be too tight. So we're just going to try that. I'm just going to drop the boot down again. And again. That's it. So I'm going back inside the car. When we did this previously, we had a noticeable rattle. And I do think it's that. So do we come down a little bit more or not? That is the question. I don't know. So reassemble is the same. Now I'm going to do this slightly differently because I want to take the boot floor out, which I'm going to take these out, which will be the next video, because the boot floor needs replacing because it's pretty tatty in places. Yeah, so there we go. So hope you liked the video. Like I say, it's how to adjust the tailgate, reassemble as you took it apart, and then we should be all good. Happy days. Catch you later, folks. It's Mark. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.